Qingdao Huading Industry, your professional supplier of high-quality plastic pallets. Explore our extensive range of products to meet all your logistics and warehousing needs. Solid top plastic pallets. Hygienic and stable. 3 runners pallets. Heavy-duty strength, widely used. Mesh plastic pallet. Ventilated and dust-resistant. Full perimeter pallets. Stable stacking. Reversible plastic pallets. High stability, dual-sided use. 9 feet pallets. Lightweight, efficient transport. Contact us today to find the perfect plastic pallet solution for your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and product showcases.